So the first thing you want to do is loosen these 6 shoulder bolts all the way around. And then you're going to want to remove the air filter cover and take off the air filter, and then pull up on this whole cover here. So you'd pull up on it and remove it. And then with that aside, you have access to your 2 ignition modules here. And you're going to want to loosen these 5/16 bolts. And then you're going to be adjusting the air gap to 8 to 12 thousandths is the specified range. So you're going to pull back on the coil, rotate the engine till it's aligned the same amount on each side. And then we're going to take our feeler gauge. And then I like taking a 13 or 14 thousandths because once you remove the feeler gauge, after tightening these down, it's going to be even less. So let's put our 13 thousandths in here. Get that aligned. Then we'll loosen up these screws. Push it snug against the magnet. And then we'll tighten these 2 bolts down. Now the spec is 25 inch-pounds, which is very little. Little over 2 foot-pounds. Right there. Now rotate the flywheel to remove your feeler gauge. Then I take like an 8 thousandths, which is the minimum, and then I'll check that. Right in the range. Good to go. Let's do the other side. And I'm going to put this on fast forward because you already watched me do the other side. It's pretty much the same process. We'll take our 8 thousandths and we'll check it. Here's 12. It doesn't go in. Perfectly 12. Okay, make sure your kill wires are hooked up. Just one on each coil. And make sure everything's routed correctly, and then reinstall your cover, air filter, tighten down those 6 bolts, and you'll be good to go.